Hey everybody, my name is Chris Bystead. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Boy, if you're looking for a really awesome trailer that's going to fit the whole family, this is a great bunkhouse trailer. It's the 313 Catalina Legacy Edition by Coachmen. Great trailer, great company, and a wonderful build, but the floor plan is really special, and I got to show it to you. You're going to love this. So you're going to notice underneath this awning, which it extends out even further if we let it, you've got a really neat ever-chill cooler, a wine rack right here. You've got some extra pull-out table here. Nice big fridge. Really set up just to get a party going and have a great time underneath this awning, enjoying your camping. If you look back here, got an outdoor sink as well. So it's really set up for entertaining and just to make it easy on you, so you don't have to take a bunch of stuff in the truck and set it all up. It's all ready to go for you. Outdoor speakers too. You can listen to your music while you're out here having fun. Check out these solid steps. If you got grandma and grandpa coming out, kids running out, these are definitely solid and safe. Now I want to take you and show you the bedroom first. Notice it's behind a door, so you have a private bedroom with plenty of shirt closets, storage overhead, storage under the bed, lots of places for plug-ins and USB connectors. Really great. And check out this bathroom as well. I love these showers. They're very spacious. They have a little seat on there in case you need that. Nice big skylights. You know, there's no lights on it. Look how bright it is. It's wonderful. Now, what people often tell me is, boy, we need to sleep a lot of people, but we want to do it in comfort. Well, here you go. You've got a wonderful, comfortable sofa here. This actually makes out into a trifold bed, sleeps 2 people, and you can sleep 2 people in this big dinette. And this dinette is U-shaped, sits the whole family. It's all in a super slide. And one of the things that makes this wonderful is that that kitchen is in a slide as well. So you see how spacious this trailer is on the inside? When you have a big family, it's not about just sleeping them, but it's about being able to move around the trailer without bumping into each other. Here you can do that. You can watch TV here. You've got a nice electric fireplace. It's beautiful, and it actually gives off heat. Wonderful kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Plenty of storage. People are crazy about the island. I always hear people say, boy, if I just had more counter space, because it's hard to make a bunch of sandwiches or carve up a pizza, you know, when you don't have space. This one gives you not only all that counter space, but lots of extra storage inside the island, which really helps when you have a big family. Now, as far as privacy for the kids, we've got a nice bunk room back here. You've got 2 bunks back here, a private room, a little sofa that you can sit on for the kids, or it makes into another bed. Lots of extra storage. So this is really set up and ideal for a large family that wants to have space to move around and do it in style. And these are very affordable. They're wonderful trailers, great floor plans. Boy, I'm sure we have the right one for you. If this is not it, we've got others, and I'd love to show you all the options. Give me a call. My name's Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.